Oh, this is the morning view of this place, man. Around that end, it's so foggy, you can't see anything.
6 o'clock in the morning.
It's not too foggy, but it is foggy.
You can see.
Everyone is just else is sleeping, I guess. Actually, it's 6 a.m. but still people are sleeping.
It's village, bro. They will get up. You don't know. Come,
Yeah.
let's go.
I want you to stay. I want you to stay. I want you to stay.
So we are gonna check out of this beautiful tent stay here now.
Yes, we'll give the location in the description.
I mean the contact in the description.
And the location.
Location they know, bro. If you hit Gandikota camping, it will come here directly. So this is the tent which we stayed. Okay, say bye bye. Bye. Osana, bye. Look at the fort in the morning. Yeah. Yeah. So we are going to another place also. So for that, yeah. So for that, I need my GoPro. So I'll switch off the GoPro here because it's the same old road which we came up. So not really interesting also, nothing. It's the same route. So see you down. This is another hotel. If you want to stay in a hotel stay, this is the another hotel. It's a resort type hotel. Its name is Harita Resort, I think. Yeah, only one resort. Yeah. Look at that. You have to go like this. Yeah.
Same like tour group.
I want you to stay. I want you to stay. I want you to stay.
Water crossing here. Yeah. Ah! Ah! I think it's because of the rain or for cultivation they have let the water inside the field. Because we were tired, bro. Look at that. These are the factories which we were seeing in the night. Yeah. I think it didn't record in the camera.
I want you to stay. I want you to stay. I want you to stay.
I just switched off the camera and the road condition went horribly wrong. I was that scared to on the camera also. The condition of the road was so messed up, like yeah, chocolate water on the road, like that only. We are almost near the destination. See you near the destination. These are the caves we just entered.
We are having fun.
This is said that India's second largest cave, it seems.
But do you think so? You need to go inside and check.
Yeah.
Investigation time.
Look at my shoe because of that dirt. Oh. Be a bit careful, bro.
I think that's not the way.
No, that's not the way. This is the way. Our head while going. Look at this, it's literal my head.
For me it's correct.
For you it's correct. I'm a bit tall, right? So I think only there are two of us. Look at that. There are only two of us in the whole entire cave now. Prabhakar, please come with me. I'm very scared. I have seen 2 to 3 films which are shot in this.
Have you seen cave?
I didn't see. This is my first experience of cave.
Oh, this is my second.
Second one.
First one was
Which is your first one?
Antharganga.
Okay. That's a small one,
It's
right?
a really small one. But it was really hard to climb because it was
Okay.
too tiny to get in.
I think people can't see our face also here.
And on top of that, we were wearing masks.
Yeah. For Telugu people, they might recognize the film Sahasam was shoot here only, I think. The last climax scene.
సారా ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా ఇప్పుడు మనం ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాం?
మనం ఇప్పుడు కాబుల్ నది కింద ఉన్నాం.
కరెక్ట్ దారిలోనే వెళ్తున్నామా?
కరెక్ట్ దారే అనుకుంటా.
నీ తాత ఏ దారిలో వెళ్ళాడో దేవుడికి తెలియాలి.
Yeah, but I haven't seen the movie.
Yeah, it's for sure it's shot here only. Look at that, and Prabhakar is showing in his camera. See, it's this dark here. If you stand near this light, our faces are visible, or else no.
done with the cave exploration. It was really scary actually. There are bats and all.
And it was nice also because it's my
It was
first
really dark.
experience.
I hope I can edit it properly and then put it.
Yeah.
It was his first experience and I have been to caves before. So how was your first experience?
I liked it, bro. But a bit scary also.
Would you live there?
No, way, no.
Just for seeing.
Just for seeing, that's it.
It was.
We can't live there. Anyone can't live there because
It's too humid. Even my
Camera
camera
got
got it fogging up.
fogging up.
I had to.
But this is
shut down.
nice. This
Yeah.
is nice. Perfect. 10 out of 10.
On the go,
Osmo.
we'll keep giving our reviews
Yes.
to this camera.
Already it has done half of our
It has
job.
done a really good job right till now.
So
Let's see what else happens.
that's it. After this we
We
are
are leaving towards Bangalore now.
towards
right?
Bangalore from here. So it shows somewhere around 300 kilometers.
310.
310
And it takes
kilometers.
6 hours to
6 hours to reach
travel
Bangalore. So yeah,
We can try to make it sooner.
yeah, we'll try to make it sooner. So second episode of third episode of this is done. Third vlog is done. So fourth vlog will be traveling towards Bangalore. If you're interested, you can watch that.
You can watch that.
If you're not interested also, please go
watch that.
Please watch
because
that. Yeah,
you have to watch that.
You,
You can't.
No, you have to get
you
a
have
pure.
To end, you have to end what you started. No.
Yeah, no, you have to get a
So-
pure climax of the film what
Yeah.
you're watching. So for that at least, yeah, it's a pleasant place also here to sit
It's
and
peaceful. There's no people.
Yeah,
Maybe because it's a weekday.
yeah, it's Friday, right?
Yeah, it is Friday today. You would forgot the days also.
We forgot. So yeah, let's wrap it up. If you like this video, like, share, and
comment,
subscribe.
and subscribe.
And follow us on Instagram also. It's our travel vlog.
Yeah.
You'll see some of the amazing photos which is clicked by Mr. Prabhakar
Yeah.
of mine.
And even mine, you can check it out. Maybe I might post. I might not post. So yeah.
So yeah,
Until next time.
cheers to life. Joe signing off. Bye bye.